Well, here we go, guys. I just got to go through it. I mean, that's just the way it is. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and this stuff just keeps coming. So I determined I'm just going to go for it. And the rain gear, this stuff don't really help that much. I'm going to end up getting wet. But I got to get through this. I get antsy. I can't just sit around. We'll see what happens as the day progresses. So this is my route here, and I'm taking it. We'll see. We'll see how this works out. Whoa, that was a deep one there. If it's hard packed enough, it'll be fine. Well, I'm getting to some good Texas dirt roads, and the timing has been not good for this, but we'll see. Just kind of gotta open this up, kind of get into this slowly and get the feel of the road. Give me a little while here, and if it seems comfortable, I'll kick it up a notch, but for now I'm going to stay like this. So I could have spent another night in Cameron, but I don't know. I don't mind doing this. It's the uncertainty of it all that makes it interesting. I mean, even if I poke along at 30, I will still do it. Because it is a little squirrely. Yeah. Yeah, boy. I tell you, I got a long way to go. And if I go through this, I don't want to have to come back through it. So I'm thinking of right up on the grass here, but could be. This stuff's nasty. Awful soft. I think I'm just going to call it, guys. And I'm low on gas too, because this goes for a ways. I don't like it. And sand and mud. I mean, it's not like I'm mandatorily have to go through this. I can loop around and catch it later. Would have been a great route. But, yeah, well, I tried. Well, I'll see you eventually somewhere today. It's getting late. I got a late start. It's got to be 4 or 5 o'clock, so I'm going to turn around and go away. I'm going to go back. All right, see ya. The I-35, Austin. You go that way, you go to the Trans-America Trail somewhere way north. I don't know where in the heck I am. My GPS got wet, doesn't work. I put it away. I have to dry it out later. We're going off my Google Maps on my phone, but that's getting wet, so I got that in the bag charging. So I'm going to be on this road for a while, I know that. And I'll figure it out later. Can you guys believe this? I mean, look, I'm the blue dot. I thought I was going to work my way out of this. It's not looking good.
It's still building up.
I mean, could I smell the alcohol in that guy's breath? Well, hey, at least I'm back on the route that I had downloaded. I have missed every bit of the dirt. It's like, oh man. But I'm going to head up here and just keep going. And that weather app, well, not looking good for me. But I'll bring you guys along so you can get wet too. You go get your gear on. All right, 6 o'clock on a Monday. Happy Memorial Day. And yeah, I'm going north here, but I'm not going to go north here because guess what? It's coming. It's coming with a vengeance. Where are you, my dear? There it is. Let's take a look. I'm in McGregor, and there it is coming. I'm going to get hit no matter which way I go. I'm supposed to go north here up to Valley Mills and then start cutting over, but I'm going to stay on the 84. I'm going to head west. I'm going to get it. I'm just going to get it. I mean, look at it. It just goes forever. But after this, I'm getting into the west part of the state, and this stuff will go away. It's going to suck today. Another day of rain. But, you know, kind of wanted to enjoy this part of Texas. This was the part that I had planned to, and I got so much more dirt mapped out, and looks like I'm gonna miss more of that. This section up here, cutting across, I got little things cutting across here, but this whole section here is dirt. So I don't know. That's the way it goes. And even the dirt would be, if it was like the stuff the other day, wouldn't be no fun. Oh, I was talking to a guy last night that the SpaceX rocket building, rocket design is real close to here, and their facilities. So a lot of people work there, and actually the woman at the desk, she was talking about. But when they test the rockets, they say it's like a freight train. The ground shakes like an earthquake, and it's got to be a few miles away. You know, it could even be 10 miles away. I don't think so. The way they were talking, it's like 6 or 8 miles out of town. But when they do this, they say the ground shakes big time. Pretty fascinating. So I guess that's their name to fame out here. You guys ever get stuck riding in this stuff? It's not raining, but my shield is continually, I gotta keep wiping it. I decided to take the 36, so I'm trying to get back up to my route. I'm having a good time though, I mean, so I'm working out.